Welcome to A Dash of Story with Donna Lynn. In this video, I'll show you how to incorporate simple page kits with multi-pocket pages and fast to fab pages. So this is how the whole thing looks all together. If you want to see the process video, check out part 1. This is the fast to fab page that I used as a title page. And this is the back of it, obviously. And I took the page protectors off so that there wouldn't be glare, but normally there would be clear page protectors over each page just to help with fingerprints and spills and those kind of things. It also protects your pictures from rubbing on each other when the pages are shut. This is the simple page kit number 2 that Creative Memories made in 2024. The back of this, I just added a different sheet of paper. I think I mentioned in the first video I wanted to do more of a winter paper because these were skiing pictures. And then I added a peekaboo pocket so I can get even more photos on there. I used a memory tab right here. Lets people know, flip the photo and you get the journaling. And I told you the purple would go really well with the surprise party. So this worked really nice using the fast to fab pages. We're back to skiing, and so I just added just a little corner of some ski paper, and it kind of offsets some of the orange. So then we're going to get into page kit number 3. So the back of page kit 3 was that green paper, and it didn't really go with skiing pictures, so I just added 3 pieces of paper from one of our winter collection. Again, a little memory tab on a peekaboo pocket. So now we get into page kit 3. And I ended up not removing the shamrocks like I said I would in the first video. I figured it's okay. It still goes with Easter pictures. Actually, someone I was talking to at one of my workshops suggested that. They said it's not going to be a big deal, and I agree. I think it looks really nice. The back of page kit 3 is green, and that went really well with these graduation photos. I added a multi-pocket page, which I love to do. I add these a lot in my albums, you'll see, because I can easily slip the photos in. I can do some journaling boxes still. This is the back of page kit 5. So the colors went really nice. So here's page kit 5. I still need to get a few pictures for that. And this is Mother's Day. That just went really well. And I'm just going to add some pictures that I haven't printed yet. So I guess that's one page that's not done yet. These are the pages that I had previously done, and I just put them into the pocket pages. Same with these pages. I just put them in pocket pages. And now we are at page kit 6. And it was Father's Day theme, but I changed it. Instead of Celebrate Dad, I cut out Grad and put that on top. And it worked really great for the graduation party photos. This is the back of page kit 6. And I just added a little journaling box and some laser cut titles. Again, another multi-pocket page. And this page is the back of page kit 7. And this is Father's Day, so he gets a little shout out. This is page kit 7, and it's 4th of July themed, patriotic themed. And this is an idea from Lauren Hines using the multi-pocket pages, so these pages, but cutting it right here and then flipping it and then punching holes here and here. I'll have to do a tutorial on it to explain it, but this is how I added this in here. And I like it because you can still see your double page spread, but there's just a couple more photos I wanted to put in here. I do cover up some of my journaling in my albums when I'm doing videos, so that's what all the white boxes are for, in case you're wondering. Now we're getting into page kit 8. I thought the kayaking pictures would look great on here, and I think they certainly do. And I added a pocket page, and I do journaling strips on some of the pictures. If I don't want to take up a pocket just for journaling, I will use our Write On journal strip, which are little white stickers, and they're this size, and you can just write on the sticker and cut it to size. Then we get into some pinks and purples, which was great for the Barbie movie. More Fast to Fab pages. Okay, and this is in a pocket page, and it is the back of Page Kit 9. Page Kit 9 worked really well for back to school fall pictures. The back of it was really nice with the colors, went really well with my sweet buddy who passed away. And then this was a page I'd already done a while ago, and I used the cute denim pockets. So this is Page Kit 10, which was the Halloween spread, and you'll notice I only used one side of it. I decided to not do a double page spread with it because I had this already done and it kind of fit in here. And this page, we don't really do a lot for Halloween. It has little spiders and a little candy corn, but to me that's all right. I mean, it's still October. Fall is for wine tasting, water polo, and football. Now this was Page Kit 1. Remember that I moved. So I'm using it for a trip that we took to LA. There's a little peekaboo pocket with some journaling. Now we get to Page Kit 11. That was Thanksgiving photos. And I always like to write down what they're thankful for. And then the back of Page Kit 11 wasn't really Christmassy, but I was able to add a strip of plaid paper, and on the Fast to Fab page, which is its opposite, I was able to add that plaid paper as well. And I think that just kind of tied the pages together and tells you that we're into Christmas. The back of this happened to be that Happy Hues color of the Fast to Fab page, and it was probably from a summer collection. But when I added some of these Coastal Christmas stickers, it just all tied together with the back of Page Kit 12. Which had some pinks and the lighter blues in there. And this doggy just happened to be wearing a pink bow. How did she know that this collection would be out? And this is Page Kit 12. And then the back of Page Kit 12 is my last page of the album, and that's when we went on a little anniversary trip. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the whole process of combining simple page kits with regular pages. I used Fast to Fab pages and multi-pocket pages. You can use white pages, black pages, Spargo pages, natural pages. There's lots of options out there. But I just think that it all flows really nicely. It's okay to mix and match your pages in your albums. And look how nice that looks. You know, they are different pages, but that's okay. It still looks really nice on your shelf, and it's a beautiful album. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you did like this video and want to see more. Happy scrapping!